This natural golden nectar not only adds sweetness to your life, but also heals and nourishes your body with every drop of its rich nutrients. In this video, we'll show you a rare, traditional method of harvesting honey in bulk, so stick around those stingy bees waiting. When a bee egg hatches, it emerges as a legless, featureless white grub that resembles a gummy worm. The hive's hexagonal wax cells are perfectly designed to protect the larvae, store precious food, and maintain the hive's structure and temperature, especially during the harsh winter months. Bees fly from flower to flower, gathering sweet nectar using their two black tongues. They store this nectar in a separate honey stomach, distinct from their regular stomach. It's probably the bravest man around who handles these bees. Honey harvesting requires careful preparation, including wearing a beekeeper suit, helmet, and gloves to stay safe. Using smoke is a key part of the process as it calms the bees, making the inspection efficient while respecting their hard work. The hive tool is used to separate the frames, and the gentle bee brush ensures the bees are moved without harm. Each hive is carefully passed through the honey brush to separate the bees, and the nectar-filled hives are transferred into neatly arranged boxes. I must say, I admire this woman for working without any protective gear around those stinging bees, something I definitely wouldn't do. Human hands, with their skill and experience, play a crucial role in every task. The honeycomb boxes are then transported to the factory, where the first step in processing involves removing the top layer of the hive. This natural, magical goodness is packed with unique benefits that can truly change your life. The journey of honey processing starts in the beehive, where the bees craft their intricate hexagonal combs. Initially, the outer layer of the honeycomb is carefully removed from both sides, which allows access to the rich, golden honey sealed inside. This layer of beeswax provides a protective barrier, ensuring the honey remains safe and untouched for long periods. However, despite some honey dripping out, much remains trapped within the cells, making it necessary for specialized machinery to help release the rest. Once the comb is prepared, it is placed inside a honey extractor, a machine designed to open the sealed cells and free the honey stored within. A spinning centrifuge is used to gently extract every drop of honey, which is then transferred into large collectors. This spinning process is crucial not only for extracting the honey, but also for cleaning the hives, making them ready to be reused. Following extraction, the honey is filtered through fine sieves to remove any remaining wax, particles, or impurities, ensuring it's as pure as possible. The honey is then stored in large containers where it is kept at the ideal temperature to preserve its smooth, liquid consistency. It's important that the temperature is carefully controlled because honey can crystallize if stored improperly. Once processed, the honey is packaged and sealed, ready for distribution to consumers. Some companies even go the extra mile by shaping the honey into convenient, easy-to-use honey spoons using silicone or plastic molds, which are sealed in fancy films or foil for an extra touch of luxury. When it comes to packaging honey, filling machines ensure precision and efficiency. The jars, which are moved along a conveyor belt, are aligned under a nozzle that dispenses the exact amount of honey. This step is designed to minimize waste, ensuring that every jar is perfectly filled. The nozzles are engineered to prevent any spills or overfills, ensuring that every drop of honey ends up exactly where it's supposed to be. After the jars are filled, the next step involves sealing the containers. Automated robotic arms place the lids onto each jar, using the latest technology to ensure they are sealed tightly, minimizing the risk of contamination or leakage. The entire process of filling and sealing is highly automated, reducing the need for manual labor and increasing the overall efficiency of the production line. After sealing, the jars of honey are packaged for shipment, ready to make their way into stores and kitchens around the world. To make the honey even more convenient, many companies also offer pre-packaged honey spoons. These tiny, individually packaged honey servings are shaped into spoon forms, sealed in foil, and placed into boxes, allowing consumers to enjoy their honey without the mess. In modern fruit processing facilities, massive quantities of fruits like pineapples, raspberries, durians, and more are processed with incredible speed and precision. Pineapple processing begins with thorough cleaning, where the fruit is rinsed with chlorine-based sanitizers, followed by the addition of citric acid to balance the water's pH and further disinfect the fruit. Once cleaned, the pineapples are dried and sent through a peeling machine that removes the tough outer skin. A specialized core removal machine then extracts the hard center, leaving only the sweet flesh behind. Skilled workers then cut the fruit into uniform chunks, ready for further processing. Raspberries, on the other hand, are harvested using powerful machines that are designed to carefully pick only the ripe berries. These machines are incredibly efficient, but can sometimes pick underripe fruit, which is why workers meticulously sort through the berries to ensure only the best ones are processed. Once the raspberries arrive at the facility, they are carefully washed and dried. After drying, the berries are quickly frozen to lock in their flavor and freshness, using a special separation technique that ensures the berries don't clump together, preserving their individual shape and taste. Durians, known for their unique flavor, go through a delicate process. After harvesting, workers carefully cut open the spiky fruit with sharp knives, removing the sweet, custard-like flesh. A refractometer is used to measure the sugar content of the pulp, ensuring that only the sweetest portions are processed. The pulp is then chopped into smaller pieces and frozen to maintain its freshness. In some cases, durian is also turned into a popular snack, durian chips, by coating the pulp in a batter and frying it to create a crispy texture. Other fruits like blueberries and mangoes also undergo similar processes. For blueberries, high-tech machines gently shake the bushes to release the ripe fruit, which then falls onto conveyor belts, where they are carefully sorted, washed, and frozen. Mangoes are peeled, chopped, and washed, then flash frozen to lock in their vibrant color and sweet flavor. The production of ready meals involves a combination of high-tech automation and precision to ensure every meal is consistent and of high quality. The process starts with cooking rice in large, tightly sealed pots. The rice absorbs water and expands, soaking up all the moisture to reach the perfect consistency. Once the rice is fully soaked, the pots are flipped to drain the excess water, and fresh water is added to cook the rice to the ideal texture. After cooking, robotic arms take over, transferring the rice from the pots onto a conveyor belt. The rice is then carefully portioned into trays where crispy chicken pieces, fresh vegetables, and other delicious ingredients are added. Meals are sealed and frozen to preserve their flavor and freshness, ensuring they're ready to eat when consumers are. The trays then move to the sealing station, where automated systems tightly seal them to prevent contamination. After sealing, the trays are labeled with important details, such as ingredients and expiry dates, before being packed and shipped out to stores. Banana chips begin with unripe bananas, which are chosen for their firm texture and low sugar content, making them ideal for frying. These bananas are carefully peeled, then sliced into uniform pieces using specialized slicing machines. The slices are then fried in hot oil, creating that crispy, satisfying texture. After frying, the chips are carefully drained to remove any excess oil before being seasoned with the perfect blend of spices and flavors. Each chip is then sorted by machines to ensure they meet quality standards, with any overcooked or imperfect chips being removed. The chips are then packaged in precise portions, ready to be shipped out for consumers to enjoy. Making chocolate bars is a meticulous process that begins with blending ingredients like sugar, coconut, and creamy butter to create the base for the bars. Once the mixture is thickened, precision blades slice it into perfect chunks. These chunks are then dipped into a luxurious chocolate waterfall, which coats them in rich, glossy chocolate. After the chocolate bath, the bars move through a cooling tunnel where controlled cool air sets the chocolate, creating a smooth, crisp shell. This cooling process is essential to ensuring the coating doesn't melt or become uneven. After cooling, the bars are carefully packed into boxes, each one sealed to ensure it reaches the consumer in perfect condition. Thanks for joining us on this sweet journey from hive to table. If you enjoyed learning about the fascinating process behind honey and other delicious treats, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, keep it sweet.